Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and exchanges to make your digital finance journey a breeze. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to withdraw USDT from OKX Exchange in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is one of the most stable cryptocurrencies out there, and OKX is a top-tier platform for trading and managing your assets. Whether you're cashing out for real-world spending or transferring to another wallet, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your OKX account. If you don't have one, head over to the OKX website or app and create it. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. This is where all your holdings are displayed. Look for USDT in your list of assets and select it to open the details. Next, find the Withdraw option, usually right there on the asset page. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Input the wallet address where you want your USDT to go. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Always verify it's correct and compatible with USDT, like an ERC20 or TRC20 address. Now, specify the amount you want to withdraw. OKX might show you the network fees up front, so keep an eye on that to ensure it's worth it. After that, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication step for security. This could be an email code, SMS, or app verification. Don't skip this. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request is submitted. Processing times can vary, but on OKX in 2025, it often takes just a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status in the OKX app or via blockchain explorers. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from OKX Exchange. Always remember to stay safe in the crypto world. Use hardware wallets for storage and keep your accounts secure. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.